Hello and welcome to Learn on the Go. On today's lesson, you are going to learn the A sound words. Let's get started. K, A, T, cut. K, A, T, cut. Mug, 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 mug. Rug, 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 rug. Jump, 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 jump. Let's read it again. Cut, cut. Mug, mug. Rug, rug. Jump, jump. This time, I will point at the letter. You are going to make the sound of each letter and read the word on your own. Let me do the first one for you. B-a-g, bug, b-a-g, bug. Now it's your turn. All right, let's read it together. Rub, 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 rub. Hump, 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 hump. Well done, boys and girls. Thank you for watching. If you learned something, make sure you subscribe to Learn on the Go. Also, turn on the notifications to get notified of the latest videos from Learn on the Go. Go back to the video, read it on your own. Now you know how to read words with the A sound. Congratulations! See you next time, boys and girls. Bye-bye.